back a little later than planned. Hey, Raven. Come on. Come on, Raven. How are you doing today? How's everybody doing? Come on, Moose. What's up, puppies? What do you see? What do you see? I don't know. What do you see? Hey, what are you doing? Something out there? What was it? What was it, Raven? What is it? Some fluff. What do you guys see out there? Miss Tony, how you doing? What is it, Raven? Gonna do some digging? Hey, River Raven, good to see you. How's everybody doing? Doing good, all right. Happy Saturday. Got a little fluff flying. They were just barking at something. I don't know what. I don't see anything out there. We got 8 likes already. Thank you. Say thank you, Raven. Yeah, hey, goofy girl. Everybody having a good Saturday? Spent the first part of the morning on the road, or the first part of the day, but got back and had to take a nap. What do you say, Raven? Yeah. Your dog pen's getting built? Ooh, exciting. What do you think, Raven? 30 by 60. I wonder what we are here. If you count the porch, well, let's see. Maybe 20. I think that's bigger than our pen. We might be 60 feet long, but definitely not 30 feet wide. Something's have I can't talk, sorry. Something has Raven's attention down here. I think that's big enough. That sounds pretty nice. All right. Puppy playpen. I love it. We love the playpen, don't we, Raven? Yeah. Yeah, good girl. What we got? Still clumps of fur coming out, but for the most part, we're done shedding, I think. Other than around the neck, but her belly's pretty clean. Moose is not really shedding at all. Hey, we got like number 10. Thanks, everybody. Thanks for hitting that button. What do you say, Moose? Something out there? Oh, the fur wanted to come back in? There it goes. We got some hearts on the screen. Thank you. Nice, comfortable breeze out here tonight. Yeah, it's beautiful. Let me see if my phone will focus on the sky. Nice blue sky. It was hot. It's cooling down now, though. Let's see. Let's take a look at the thermometer. It's probably 70 still. Ooh, 75 still. 76. The breeze makes it feel comfortable, though. What do you think, puppies? Still too hot for puppies. Michael Conte, how are you? What do you think, Moose? Well, that was a good move. Time for some zoomies. Hey, Soph. We're having a great day. Thanks for stopping in. That goes for everybody. I hope everyone had a good day, is having a good day. Raven's been looking out this way a lot. Is there an animal out there? What's got your attention? No, no. What are you barking at? There's no, I don't see anything out there. I don't see anything out there. Hmm. Hey, Irish Cream Spring Green. Wow, 101 in Sacramento? That is too hot. We're about 75 here now with a nice breeze. You're getting Lord Sherpa in 1.5 weeks. I'm excited. You must be really excited. What do you say, Moose? You guys hear something out there that I can't see. 110 in Vegas? Whoa, don't jump into me. Kawasaki, that's really hot. Jeez. Luckily, we almost never get over 100 in Vermont. It's too hot for us. Whoa, you guys. Playing rough. I bet. What's up, Moosey? Don't jump on me. Yeah, you're too big for jumping. Hiyo, Mikey. They are. They're brother and sister, 2.5 years old. Hey, Raven, what are you doing? You guys are going crazy. There's something out there, huh? They did, but they got all types of special treats from Grandma when I was gone, so they probably didn't miss me that much. But they were excited to see me when I got home, jumping all over me. Still finding the loose hair, that fur. It's never ending, Raven. Oh, yeah. Grandma spoiled them. They got all the good treats. So we got sweet potatoes, we got chicken jerky and greenies. Ashley Arena, how are you? Stuart, beautiful poodles. They are gigantic, huh? They don't look like regular poodles. Hmm. A police siren in the background. That is not normal for around here. Somebody's getting pulled over. Hey, James, how are you? Hope you're doing good. Stuart, they are Alaskan Malamutes. Ooh, a tornado warning. Yeah, you've got our prayers. Stay safe. I know, they see something. They've been barking out this direction. I don't know what it is. Yeah, they're beautiful, huh? You're a good boy, Moose. You've got a property and a gigantic farm that you want to gift me? Yeah, what's the catch? Yeah, Mikey, every once in a while they get a little bit aggressive with each other, but for the most part, they're best friends. It's always a stupid fight over um, scammers, yeah. It's always a stupid fight over something like last time Moose dug a root out of the ground and they want to fight over it. But we temporarily split them up when that happens and then they forget about it and they go back to being good friends again. It's not very frequent. I did hear people were warning me about the littermate syndrome and they spend so much time together, it's never really been a problem. Just it's like two teenagers fighting every once in a while. Can you pet that dog? Oh, yeah. Here's Moose. He's a good boy. They're together all the time, unless somebody's being bad, and then we put the gate in the hallway and somebody stays in the kitchen while the other's in the living room. But out back here, they're always playing together. They roam the house together. Lots of zoomies. Let's go pet Raven now. I'm gonna throw this clump of fur out. I guess Moose is shedding a little bit, coming out around his neck, but not anything like Raven. She shedding for 2 weeks straight. Hey, here we go. Good girl. Say hi to everybody. Ooh, we have 20 likes. I haven't been keeping count, but thanks everybody. Something out there's got your attention, huh? Paul Watson, good to see you. Like number 21, thank you. This is the stuff. You can see the color change. That's the winter fur still shedding. Just when we think we're done with it. But that's okay. We want to get rid of as much of that thick coat as possible for the hot summer. Out it goes for the birds. Like number 22. Yeah, Mikey, and with big dogs, it's definitely can be more of a challenge because if they do get into fights, you don't want to get in the middle of it. So, we when they're doing really well, we're not worried at all, but sometimes if they're acting weird together, we like Raven has her harness on right now. That's not for this reason, but like having the handle on the back of the harness, if you ever needed to separate them, that really helps. And yeah, just spend as much time with them as you can so you can read their body language better. Because a lot of times I can tell by the way they're acting that something's up and they might need to get separated. 24 likes. All right, Ashley, thank you. But yeah, if you're worried about the sibling syndrome, just better safe than sorry, I guess. You study them like a book. That's good. Like we had to take away a lot of toys because that's what they were getting aggressive over certain things, certain treats. Like they used to get marrow bones to chew on, and we don't do the marrow bones anymore because that would cause fights. Hey, Hal 9000, thank you. Thanks for stopping in. Mama Nova, good to see you. Say, Moose. Yeah, it's hot out. It's okay. We've got a big fan set up inside the house. Moose was laying in front of the fan all day. It's actually feeling a lot better now. We've got a nice breeze. You are a good boy. Yeah, well, they were just chasing each other around doing zoomies, so I think they're a little out of breath from that too. But thanks for the concern. Michael Pagel, how are you? Yeah, I think if they seem like they're out of breath right now, it's mostly because they were just chasing each other around. They love ice cubes. Yeah, we're gonna get ice cubes when we go in. Hal 9000. I'm gonna have to search something like that. That sounds like a good idea. We are doing cheeseburgers for dinner tonight. What is everybody else having? I know, Raven's still looking out this way like something's out there, huh? They were barking before. They're not expensive? Okay, good to know. Michael, they don't really swim very much. They love the snow, but they are not water dogs. They get up to about their belly, but never go all the way in. Hey, thank you. Check it out. Yeah, it's coming along nicely. Let me zoom in here. Get up above. Bunch of rows. We've got a little bit of everything planted. Homemade cheese bacon burgers. Ooh, that sounds delicious. Oh yeah, lots of frogs. The pond is full of them. And salamanders. And then these trees, they get the tree frogs. We might start hearing them soon. They sing all night long. Lasagna, fried chicken, potato salad. That's all good stuff. Hold on, I'm missing comments, I think. Let me scroll back. Chief had a cheeseburger too? All right. A good day for it. Ashley, you used to have a husky? Awesome. They're the coolest dogs. These Malamutes are just like giant huskies. They look pretty much the same though. Raven here is about 100 pounds, so she's a lot bigger than your average husky. Moose, he's the big boy. He's at least 10 pounds heavier than Raven now. Aria, good to see you. A sandwich and ramen noodles? All right. We probably will start getting snow in October. Keep your fingers crossed. The sooner the better. We love to run around. They tow me on my skis. These two are natural sled dogs. A fatty and a Dr. Pepper creamy coconut. All right. Sounds like a relaxing evening. What do you think, Raven? Moose is just chilling. Yeah, that's the spot, huh? All right. Yeah, we're ready for snow again. This heat is just too much for me included. They love it. They lay down outside and get covered in it when it's coming down. Salmon sandwiches for dinner. That sounds delicious. I had smoked salmon. Those were fillets. That was a few days ago, but really good. All right, Mama Nova, how do we arrange this trade? I'll trade the heat for the snow any day. Yeah, that's hot. Too hot. My cousin is in Ireland, and they were saying that they had hot weather there too. And that is unusual. What are you saying, Raven? She's looking at the back door. N7D, how are you? Who's is getting a drink? All right, we're gonna stay live for about 3 more minutes, and then it's dinner time. Yep, she's drooling right now. She's like, I need food. I'm pretty hungry too. Time for burgers, Raven. Gotta wait right till 7:30, and then we'll go in. That's 2 or 3 more minutes. Yeah, the climate is changing everywhere. We've been kind of lucky here the last few years. At least our winters have been really good winters still. Lots of snow. But it seems like every year we end up having a big drought in the summer where it doesn't rain for a while and everything dries up and the grass gets all brown. Ideally, we'd get a little bit of rain every couple days to keep everything saturated. I love food too. All the talk about it, it's getting me hungry. Look at that view. It's a beautiful night. HAL 9000. I'll search for it. That's a great idea. I'd like to check something like that out. Ooh, talking about birds, we got a hummingbird right here at the feeder. Getting a drink. All right. Animal Stetch, how are you? Thanks for stopping in. We're actually about to sign out here. It is our dinner time. Raven was just knocking at the back door, letting me know, right? But can always watch the replay. We've got a lot of replays up there at this point. What do you think, Moose? It's dinner time. 7:30. We made it. Thanks for hanging out, everybody. The dinner knock, yeah. She got the internal clock. She knows when 7:30 comes. You ready, Moose? What's down there? You have a good night. Thanks for hanging. Mama Nova, likewise. All right, say bye-bye, Raven. We're gonna go in. Hope everybody can come hang out again tomorrow. Ooh, don't bump your head, Raven. Say good night. Say good night, Moose.